My dear students, as usual, on Sunday we have only speaking session, and today's your topic is there are many ages in the life of a person, like infancy, infant, childhood, teenage, young age, old age, and it is considered that childhood is the best of all. And you know very well that what about childhood, and you know very well that what are the disadvantages and what are the advantages of this age, because some of you are still child, but some of you are in teenage, some of you are in young age, so you can describe this subject very well. So now we are starting, and first of all I am calling the name of Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is childhood. As we all know that there are many types of ages group that are made for persons like teenagers, childhood, adult, etc.
Hmm.
But the most liked is childhood, as it is the time in which in which we have no pressure about anything like of school work or we can do anything in this age that we want.
Yes.
We can play games that we want, and we can force our parents to do, and parents will not say us no, as they know that it is his age of and playing only. After he will be having a lot of force
Hmm.
and pressure by its teachers and by them also. As in after childhood they will have to study to become a successful person. So at that time they will have force, and they will not be able to um, make their dreams make their dreams successful of enjoying their life. And there are many advantages of be a child. Like if you are a child, then you will be most liked by all the family members.
Hmm.
You will be getting all the benefits,
Shabash.
uh, and the elders of your will have to um, obey you. As if they will not do so, then you will cry and say to your parents by crying that he or she is not listening to me, is not he or she is not doing my work in this way. And in this way we can say that childhood is the best age for every person. That's it.
Very good, nice. Very good, Shabash. Yes, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about childhood. As we all know that in a person's life, childhood is his best time period. As a person who lives in a person who is in his childhood, like there are every person suffers from childhood, and the person who suffers from childhood, there is a child in everyone's heart. And as you all know that childs are very naughty and very mysterious, and as you all they do a lot of mischief in their houses, like sometimes they broke the ancient things which are kept in our houses, and these types of things children do usually. And as you all know that children have a naughty brain in their not children have a naughty part in their mind, and that part is very active in children.
Hmm.
And as we know that if there is a child in the house, then everyone will love him, and he has all the benefits in the house. If he will cry for something, he will get that thing in few time only, because the parents fulfill all the needs of small child, because they think that it is child and it does not have that much of brain, and is not that much capable to think that he can that what is good for him, what is bad for him. and a small person, child likes a child like all the person in his surrounding, and the most he likes is his parents. And as we all know that after becoming a man, a man pretends that he is not a child, but in everyone's heart there is a child. There is a child who wants always that he or she do things which are naughty. By these things I can say that childhood is the best time period, and a person can enjoys his life, enjoys his life's best part in his childhood. That's it.
Very good, Shabash beta. Yes, come on, Arshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Maurya. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is childhood. Childhood is the best period time of a person's life. It is the best period when we are able to think about nothing. Childhood is the best part of a person's life, and in childhood there are many things that a child can do without any hesitations or anything. Such a type he can play games for a long time out which are in outdoors, and uh, childhood is the best period of our life. As in childhood our all the memories that we want are fulfilled by our parents, because as at the time we are not able to think enough that what are these things. So at the time we get those things, and when we beat somebody else who is bigger than us at the age of 4 5, then nobody says that you have done such a thing, because at the time the child are not able to think that
Shabash beta. Huh?
what is he going to do. And childhood is the best life. Sorry, sir. Childhood is the best period of our life, because at this time we have uh, we have not burden about anything about our future, and about what we want to be in our life, and what the subjects that we have to read and we have to cover for our examinations. And in childhood we don't have such a type of burdens, and we are able to play many games. And in childhood we in childhood there are many memories saved by person to person, and we miss those memories. Matlab, many people miss those memories very much in their life. And childhood a child is also uh, a child is also present in an adult also, but the way that the child that in childhood the way that shows that we are child is can't be showed by the adult age. And in the childhood we are able to do many things. That's it, sir.
Very good, Shabash beta. Very good. Yes, now Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya and today I am telling about childhood. As we all know that the period of childhood is from one year to 13 years, and after that the age of adolescence or teenage begins. And it is said that the age of childhood is the best age of a person's life, because in this age a child is free of any pressure and burden. He has a lot of time to do anything, and he is free, and he enjoys and plays very much in this age. And after this age he or she gets many responsibilities about his or her studies and or anything, and he gets less time he get less time to entertain himself or herself. But in childhood he or she has a lot of time to entertain himself or herself. He plays, he entertain himself and herself. He do as he or she likes, and And in this age, if he or she makes a mistake, then the elders do then the elders not the elders do not rebuke much. They says that he or she is a child. It happen sometimes, it
mm,
happens,
mm,
and they avoid it.
mm,
But after this age, it does not happens.
mm,
And so and the memories of the childhood are the best memories of in a person's life.
mm,
Everyone, when a person when a person crosses the age of childhood, everyone the person thinks about the memories of childhoods. And at last, I want to say that if a person is going through childhood, so he or she should enjoy
mm.
very much in this age, because that age of childhood never comes back, sir. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अब ये नंबर है सुशील का.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil and I am student of the Ramban on the introductory classes from 16. And today our topic is childhood. As we know that we take birth in the society, and first of all we pass from childhood, and it is considered uh, very memorial and joyful age, because in this age we don't because in this age we don't have any stress about our study, and we have work of playing, and when we make any mischief,
Mm,
so no one mind it, because they also know that we are not able to think.
mm,
And uh, in this age we get love the members of our family. And at last, I want to say that if someone is passing from childhood, so he should get aware of his childhood. So that's
बंद
it.
कर दिया तुमने, भूल गया शायद मैं तो. वेरी गुड,
So
बहुत
that.
बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश. कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Paul Verma and I am the student of Ramman Online Traffic Classes from Batch 11. And today our topic is childhood. And we all know that we are human beings and we take birth, and we are live in society, and there in human's life there are different types of ages: teenage, old age, and adult age, etc.
Mm,
All ages are necessary for us
mm,
to learn what is life, and all ages are beautiful, but childhood and teenage is very beautiful for us,
mm,
and that that age is very memorable for us, and we are children, and in front of our parents we always become a child, but after a age we have to do some work for our livelihood,
mm,
and after a age our parents want that their children do hard work to be a successful person
शाबाश, शाबाश.
in his life.
Mm,
But we all know that childhood is very important and necessary life for us,
mm,
and childhood and teenage life is very important and enjoyable life for us.
mm,
And in the childhood, we make very big mistakes, and we many people rebuke us, but it doesn't matter for us, because there is a very happily and enjoy life. And in the childhood life, we play different types of outdoor games. We don't use the mobile phones, laptops, and indoor games. And in the childhood, there are many types of colony friends, house friends, and school friends also. School friends are always best for us,
Very good.
and uh, um, school friends and school is an emotion for us, and college friends and college is a better, not better for us, and we should we should we should leave our childhood and teenage life with happy and joyful, and we should use our childhood life is happily and enjoyful. That's it.
Very good बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा करने लगे हो बेटा. Very good. Yes. Now Komal, Gaurav.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
My name is Gaurav and I study in Ramman Online Interactive Classes. And I study in class 6th. My topic is childhood. Childhood is a stage in our life cycle of joy, playfulness, and freedom. In this age, all people are free to do anything of childs. Whatever they want, whatever they eat, whatever they want to do, whatever. But to keep a child happy, our parents make our childhood very happy. So parents are the only route for our happy childhood. But we are talking about childhood. But when a person goes to teenage from childhood, he has more pressure on it of studies, exams, and everything of job and etc. But in childhood, there is no pressure of study, homework, or there is no stress.
Shabash, very good. Nice.
But some child do hard work and labor and do mason's work in their childhood also. But the advantages of childhood is that all love child in their childhoods, and if they do a mistake, they will be forgive from their parents or cousins, relatives. But the disadvantages are that they can be discriminated in society, that you are very short in height, short in age, and we are very old from you. So every child says that we want to become older from others and gain success, but they don't know that what struggles they have to face in their teenage.
शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
Very good बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. Focus. Ronak, आजा भाई.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I did in Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's our topic is childhood. As you all know, childhood is one of them. Today I am 15 years old. I say when we were children, there are many advantages of it. Childhood. In childhood, our parents always love to us. Parents give all the things. When the guests come in our house, always they give money, and we were happy. We play many games in our childhood friends. In childhood, I thought when I am 15 years old, we have many freedoms. We go anywhere. We do anything. In childhood, our elder sister and brother were looking devil. Because our elder brother and sister trouble me. I miss my childhood, but the childhood never come back. Now my childhood friends are not with me. Really, childhood is one of them. That's it.
वेरी गुड। आज तो तेरी सारी पीड़ा उजागर हो गई बेटा। चिंता मत कर, तेरा चाइल्डहुड ही चल रहा है बेटा अभी। हमें तो लगता नहीं है कि तेरा तू बड़ा हो गया है।
सर मेरे को तो एक चीज बहुत बुरी लगती है, जब भी मैं जितना भी बड़ा हो जाऊँ वो चीज नहीं जाने वाली।
नहीं जाएगी, मस्त रहे, भूल
मेरे भाई बहन डेविल की तरह कभी
हाँ वो कभी नहीं जाएंगे। वो तो सबर किया, कुछ चीजों का सबर करना पड़ता है। छोटा है तो छोटा ही रहेगा। यस यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today my topic is childhood. As we all know that in a person's life there are so many ages like old age, adult age, teenage, etc. The childhood is one of them. The childhood is the most beautiful age in a person's life because in this age we have not to worry about our basic needs because our parents and our relatives and well wishers fulfill our basic needs without telling them. In this age, we should not worry about our homeworks, our our food, etc. Uh, because we can see that if a house who has a little child, everyone care him and her. Um, they all care about the little child because the little childs have not maturity. They easily make a lot of mistakes by which they have to face problems. So our elders think that our little child do not face problems, so they fulfill and they से नजर रखने को क्या बोलते हैं?
They keep watch.
They keep watch us. They keep watch us continuously. Our childhood is an age in which we can, in which we are loved by anyone.
शाबाश।
Because, but so in the childhood is the most beautiful and funny age because after it our teenage comes. In teenage we can see that our body becomes change and our body become change, and in our adult age we have to face lot of problems and responsibilities. And in the old age when we have to do much things than others, so the childhood is the most beautiful and relaxable age. in the childhood, when we are child, we think that if when we become elder, and when we become elder, and we also use mobile without getting permission, we can go outside. But when we become elder, we think that we why we are not still child. The children's, we can see that the children easily easily get everything because by the power of crying.
Hmm.
They cry too much and get their their favorite thing easily.
Hmm.
Uh, so we should enjoy our childhood, and if anyone is child, please enjoy your childhood, because after it you cannot enjoy. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. And now I am calling Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch 15. Today's my topic is childhood. As we know that we are human beings and we suffering from many ages. These ages have their personal names. First of all, when we are 1 to 10, it is called childhood, and when we are 11 to 18, it is called teenage,
शाबाश.
and when we are 18 to about 50, it is called young age, and last before we are 15, it is called old age. So today I tell you about childhood. As we know that childhood is the most important age in our life, because it is in these years we make fun and enjoy with our family, parent, parents, friends, etc. Because these days we don't study and only go only only fun with our cousins, and 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 we go to school. We only play there. In childhood we watch TV very much. It's the most important part of childhood, because they they watch many cartoons like Augie, Shinchan, etc. Uh,
बेटा. हाँ.
uh,
हाँ.
I like also because I also watch it in our
पता चल रहा है हमें सब कुछ. हाँ.
in my childhood sometimes we eat sand, and that's why sometimes we become ill. Uh, sometimes we eat stone, by which सर अटकने को क्या कहते हैं?
Stuck.
by which it stuck in our
Throat.
throat.
Gets stuck
And
in our throat. हाँ.
okay, sir. In childhood, we in childhood some in childhood we cry very much also, and we and we and we cry very loudly. That's why people irritate and give their favorite things. So I like also my childhood. There are many disadvantages of childhood, because sometimes children watch TV very long time. That's why their eyesight become weak, and they have to face many problems. Sometimes parents don't focus on their children. That's why they don't listen their parents what they are telling to them. So we should listen our parents in our childhood. Yes, sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बड़ा ज्ञानी आदमी है भैया, तगड़ा ज्ञान है इसके पास। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, शाबाश के बेटा।
Thank you, sir.
अरे बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बोला। उमेश।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am a student of Ramman Interactive Classes from Batch 19. Today, our topic is childhood. As we all know that childhood is the best memory in our life. I am 13 years old. There are many advantages and disadvantages of childhood. In childhood, your parents fulfill our all needs. In childhood, you have no pressure of study, go to school, etc. We play game daily. But there are many disadvantages of childhood, such as we cannot see mobile. Second is we cannot go outside, but we see TV for long time. So there is a one problem, your right sides can be become very low. But the parents, all the people and parents love children very much. In childhood, when the guests come in my house, so they definitely gives us gives chocolates to me, but I don't eat chocolate because your teeth सर गंदे हो जाते हैं, क्या बोलेंगे?
Becomes dirty.
Your teeth become dirty. Childhood is a best memory. We cannot forget your childhood.
योर क्यों आएगा बेटा? तो ठीक करना है इसको, योर और अवर को।
Our memory. Last I say, childhood is very best for us. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला। थोड़ा सा फोकस कर जरा ग्रामेटिकल चीजों पे, ठीक हो जाएंगे।
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा फोकस करते ही ठीक हो जाएंगे। Yes, now Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18, and today our topic is childhood. As you know that there are many different ages like childhood, teenager, adulthood, and old age. And childhood is one of them. And I am a teenager, and the childhood is the best age of human beings because in this age we don't have pressure like we don't have any pressure like of study, searching job, etc. And and the and we there are many advantages like there are many advantages of childhood like we can play games outside and we don't go school and we can watch TV.
हाँ शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश बेटा। हाँ बस आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे, थॉट्स को बस फोकस करो।
And we सर लेने देने को क्या बोलते हैं? लेना देना। and we and we don't exchange of the world and the childhood is very beautiful very best age.
हाँ ब्यूटीफुल अच्छा था। हाँ
beautiful when we become when we grow up, we forget our childhood memories,
Hmm.
and when we become grow, and we have so many precious,
So much pressure.
like
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बेटा.
so much pressure, like about study, searching job, etc. And and we should we should spend we should spend our childhood, and when I see my when I see my some childhood photos, and I became very nostalgic. So in the last, I want to say that we should spend our childhood. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके बेटा. बेटा राइटिंग कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो अभी आजकल?
Yes, sir.
कर रहे हो राइटिंग? ओके बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, और मेहनत करो बेटा, है ना?
Yes,
गुड गोइंग,
sir.
शाबाश बेटा. यस, नाउ प्रिया.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today, as we all know that our topic is on childhood. So there are many stages of childhood like infant age, childhood, and teenage, adult age, and old age. But childhood is the best age of the life because it is free from everything. Like there is not any tension, depression, sadness in this age. And in this age on the child, there is not any tension for his or her family about his or her future. And he or she always hurry for playing playing and in this age the child plays every time, like bathing playing during bathing, eating, sleeping, etc. And in this age a child plays many games like lukka chupi, pakadam pakadai, and sitolia, etc.
शाबाश
the
शाबाश.
fam- the family's member also take care and spend time with them. The child love and the child gets the love and care from his or her family, and the child also learns from his family about their culture, religion, and also about manners. In this age the child copies everyone,
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
so we should teach them about good. And in this age the child is like a raw soil, so it is in the parents or society's hand how we can build them.
Very good.
And most of the person's childhood is passed with their grandparents, so it is the beautiful chance that and we learn good things from our grandparents because they tells us their experience and so that we can solve those problems easily. And there is the biggest fun when our grandparents tells many interesting and folk tales stories to us. And but in this age, the parents should spend their most of the time with their children, because it is the age where we can be a good and a bad till the end.
Shabash, shabash, beta.
But now we can say that there is a childhood in every person, because but someone takes it private and someone takes it social. And so we shouldn't think that our childhood has been past. It is always be with us.
Very good.
That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, now Anushka.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka and I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 19. Topic is childhood. As we all know that there are many ages in the person's life, like childhood, teenage, adult, and old age. The best one is the childhood because we can do anything and we can do any mischief and we can play everywhere anything and we in the teenage we also think that the childhood is the best age because after the childhood we are busy in our studies and we have to and we take some tensions and some of the students take pressure of their studies and there are many other problems and there are many other works that we have to do done.
शाबाश बेटा.
In childhood we can show our feelings to everyone and there is no differentiate between child because every child is equal for everyone and everyone loves or like the child because they think that they don't have the capacity to think about the right or wrong. So if we do any mistake, so everyone uh, give up us and and in childhood is the age where we learn about everything and childhood is the age if we learn something in childhood that childhood then we use this thing in our all in our full life and in our all life.
शाबाश, शाबाश.
Childhood is the age where the parents should have to took care of their children and they have to think about them, they have to spend more time with them because some children go on some children learn some bad habits and some children take some good habits, but childhood is the very good for us because childhood is the only age where there are many beautiful memories
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
and things that we सर याद करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Remember.
That we remember
या मिस कह सकते
in
हो
our
आप उसको मिस भी तो करते हैं ना अपन. मिस that we miss.
that we miss in our age and the teenage, the adult and the old always think that they can return back to their childhood age and enjoy their life again and there are no responsibilities in childhood age. Every child enjoy their life peacefully, and they have no pressure to do anything. They can do anything with their choice,
शाबाश.
and every child should enjoy their life with by playing outdoor games and by doing adventure things. And there are many other things that we do in our childhood, like eating muds and throwing pebbles and playing with friends. Sometimes we also cry while playing, but nowadays children only play in mobiles and mobile phones. But in my opinion, they should live the childhood that we live in that age. That's it, sir.
Okay बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, very good बेटा, keep it up बेटा. Yes, Komal, Sushil, you may leave. Komal, you also rest करो बेटा. Sushil, तुम भी. Okay, now
Good
Devansh.
night, sir.
Good night बेटा, खुश रहो बेटा.
Good
Devansh.
evening. Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा.
Hello everyone. Today my topic is childhood. Childhood is one of the most important aspect of human lives, and also for other living being nobody
क्या हुआ? डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
we can just have a simple schedule of school, playing, education, etc. we we enjoy a lot in our childhood. Sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड
Sir,
बेटा, शाबाश बेटा,
pardon.
खुश रहो बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, बस ऐसी कोशिश क्या कर बेटा, है ना बेटा. वेरी गुड बेटा. यस, नाउ आदित्य. यस आदित्य. बोल बेटा. आदित्य, आवाज नहीं आ रही. चल तू आराम से ठीक करके आ, फिर अगला नंबर लेते हैं तेरा. जब तक मैं लक्ष्मी को बुलाता हूँ, ठीक कर ले बेटा इसको आराम से, है ना. यस लक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. I am a student. Sir, today our topic is a childhood. There are three types of life. First life is a teenage. Second life is a elder, and third life is a old age. Childhood life is a best life. There are many small child. They they always crying. They always play. they they do some mistake.
आराम
they
से फोकस करो बस,
they
आराम से. हाँ.
they can they can go here and there. They play with the toys. they they watch phone. Some children do imitation to each other. they they learn they learn they learn to walk. They get knowledge with the parents from parents.
हाँ शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, फोकस कर बस. हाँ.
They can do big mistake, so they try to learn how to
शाबाश शाबाश.
walk, they go anywhere, they play outside, they but nowadays the children play games in the mobile phone. They do not go outside. They always busy in the mobile phone with the mobile phone. Childhood life is the best life. Children do not have do not have risks. Children do not have stress. They they always they always remain happy. Slowly the childhood the children become a big make a big, so the children go to school. The children have so much stress. They do study. They always remain busy. They have many dreams. They wanted they want to become anything.
शाबाश शाबाश बेटा शाबाश. हाँ.
Of the children's go to bad things. सब that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है. लिख रहे हो ना अभी?
हाँ सर.
आज लिख रहे हो नहीं लिख रहे हो?
हाँ सर लिख रही हूँ रोज.
सभी लोग लिखेंगे इसी टॉपिक के ऊपर, चाइल्डहुड के ऊपर.
यस सर.
B18-19 वाले सब सारे B18-19 वाले सारे लिखेंगे. कल चेक करूंगा मैं काम तुम्हारा मंडे को चाइल्डहुड के ऊपर. जैसा आदित्य आजा. है कि नहीं है यहाँ पे? है ही नहीं भाई साहब. तो चले गए ठीक करने के लिए अपना सिस्टम. चलो कोई बात नहीं है. लक्ष्मी का हो गया. रिया.
यस सर. सर रुको. I am a student of Ramban batch 20, batch number 20. Today I am telling about myself.
शाबाश.
Today my first speech, English. My first English speech after joining this class. My name is Riya Meena. My father name is Ramcharan Meena. My mother name is Santosh Devi. I am reading in class BSc B.Ed third year. I am 19 years. I have 7 brothers and sisters. My elder brother name is Suresh. He is very hardworking. My elder sisters name are Anjali and Madhu. She is very intelligent. They are very intelligent.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा. हाँ बस हो गया तेरा चालू मीटर. हाँ.
My sister's name is Priya. She is very pretty, look like angel.
सुन रही हो प्रिया?
I like to eat their minds.
अच्छा ओके. रोटी खिलाया करो इसको.
They inspire me in every situation.
In eating their mind.
I am very weak in English subject before join this class. Now I am trying to learn English by Rajesh ji sir. I'm very happy in my life because I am very brave and I'm brave and positive girl. That's it, sir.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोला, शाबाश, वेरी गुड। देखो इसको कहते हैं हिम्मत। देख लो B20 वालों, आ जाओ। यस, नाउ मधु अगेन from B20। यस
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am a student of Ramban. I am telling about myself.
शाबाश।
My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I live in Dolika. I am 21 years old. I am preparing to become an English teacher.
शाबाश।
There are 8 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा।
I have a best friend. I wake up early in the morning and meditate. I always stay positive.
वेरी गुड। अरे वाह, मजा आ गया। हाँ,
I know cooking. I respect elders and love youngers. I spend नहीं
घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी, फोकस। अच्छा बोल रही है बस,
I
थोड़ा
like
कह रहा
to
हूँ।
spend with nature. I enjoy with my family on Diwali.
शाबाश।
I sleep at 9 o'clock. I speak to everyone politely.
वेरी गुड।
That's it.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया बोल दिया, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। हाँ, हो गया काम। अब तो कोई डरने की बात ही नहीं है, बस ठीक है बेटा। यस, मुस्कान आजा बच्चा, आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I telling about myself. My name is Muskan and I read in 8th class. I am 13 years old.
शाबाश।
My school name is Arali Public School. I live in Bandikoi.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड।
My hobby is drawing and crafting.
वाह, वेरी गुड।
I like white color. And I like reading. My favorite food is dal bati. I want to become a doctor. Want to become and I love my family. And I am very happy in my life. That's it.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ गया बेटा, शाबाश। अरे अब तो क्या, ऐसी ही रहा कर तू, हंसती हुई सी, शुक्ला सी शक्ल बना ली ऐसे, बढ़िया से रहा कर ऐसे, हंसती हुई रहा कर ऐसे। हाँ, यस, एक नाम और आ गया, वेरी गुड, अंजलि। यस, कम ऑन अंजलि। कहाँ गई, ये रही, आजा।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
Childhood is a good time in our life. In the childhood, child has no depression for study, homework, and future. A childhood passed in playing, crying, laughing, etc. Uh, the children has not any pressure for
शाबाश,
their career.
very good.
Now I am 20-year-old. I think the childhood is the best time in our life. I miss my childhood. Thank you, sir.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड। बस ऐसे कोशिश कर लो। यस, अरे मजा आ गया। बस इतना सही चाहिए अपने को, कुछ नहीं चाहिए बेटा, है ना? हाँ, मस्त रहो तुम तो, बस हो गया काम। इतना सही चाहिए, और क्या चाहिए, बाकी तो देख लेंगे हम। यस, एनीवन एल्स?
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है, आजा बेटा। आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's my topic is childhood. As you all know that childhood is very nice life because the child is very a nice person in the world.
हाँ, यस, वेरी नाइस, यस, शाबाश, बोल। हाँ,
Child, a child is very smart and funny because the child always see television and
यस, शाबाश, बोलता रहे, मजा आ रहा है। यस, हाँ,
and child cannot see mobile phone because this is very bad habit because our eyesight
टीवी से नहीं होती है। हाँ
are
हाँ
very
हाँ,
are
शाबाश,
very
हाँ,
weak and we cannot see child enjoy our life
और
and
हिज लाइफ।
child
हाँ, बोल बोल बोल, थोड़ा फोकस कर।
and child do not do not write our homework because child always play our games.
हाँ,
Child don't go school because can because it because the child is very lazy and weak.
स्कूल जाने के नाम पे लेजी और वीक होता है वो। हाँ, टीवी देखता रहे घंटे घंटे बैठ के। हाँ बोल, मन की बातें तो ऐसी निकल के आती हैं। बोल, आगे बोल।
Any child and 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 some childs are very intelligent, so these child is very boring. Some childs play outdoor games and indoor games. Childs go garden and play outdoor games like hide and seek, kabaddi, and etc. Last I say that childs respect our parents and parents love our childs. Yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड। लिखना इस टॉपिक पे आवाज, ठीक है? वेरी गुड। तूने आज बच्चों की सारी पोल खोल दी। तूने आज चाइल्ड की, बच्चों की, सब बच्चों की तूने पोल खोल दी आज बेटा, 1 मिनट में। है, कहता है जी टीवी देखते हैं, वो देखते रहते हैं, मोबाइल से गड़बड़ होती है उनकी आंखें खराब, टीवी से खराब नहीं होती आंखें। हाँ, कहते हैं स्कूल जाते हैं। स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाते? क्योंकि वो कमजोर हैं बेचारे। वेरी गुड, मजा आ गया तेरी बात सुन के। शाबाश बेटा। के बेटा, और कोई है, कोई बोलना चाहता है?
सर
किसी?
आप सर आप मतलब ऐसे अनाउंस कर दो ना, जैसे कि कोई रीडर ऑफ द मंथ।
करेंगे करेंगे, रुक जा, अभी अनाउंस कर दो। तुमसे करवाएंगे अनाउंस। जिसको अनाउंस करेंगे फिर वो कुछ करेगा, पार्टी वार्टी देगा।